Sup YouTube, making me some more CVG. We got 4.5 quarts of water boiling, 1 cup of gypsum, 8 cups of vermiculite. This is just what literally everybody uses. You can get it on Amazon. It's like, I don't know, like $15 or less, kind of depending on if you have Prime or not. And then 1 650-gram brick of Cocoa Bliss cocoa. This water is nice and boiling. Let's see if I can set you guys up where you can actually see what the fuck it is I'm doing here. Probably not gonna happen. I can't really pour it with one hand, but I mean, we'll get creative with it and see. Okay, turn that off. Grab myself an oven mitt. Oh, and then you just wanna pour it all in. So it's 4.5 cups, or not cups, 4.5 quarts of water. If you're adding vermiculite, if you're just gonna use cocoa, it's 4 cups, because the vermiculite holds a little bit of moisture. So now that that's in there, you can see it. It's alive. Fucking love robot chicken. So anyway, that's gonna rehydrate. We're just gonna put this lid. I went ahead and sterilized this bucket and lid before I did this. Okay, so that's gonna rehydrate. Now the lid is gonna bulge up like that, and also once it cools down, the sides are gonna shrink in on itself. But that's fine, it's not gonna blow up or anything, probably. But that's how you make CVG. So it's just 4.5 quarts of boiling water, 1 cup of gypsum, 8 cups of vermiculite, 1 650-gram brick of cocoa core. So after this cools down, it's gonna take overnight for it to rehydrate all the way and cool down. Once it cools down, I'm gonna put a glove on and mix it up, because that gypsum will settle to the bottom. Because if you've never seen this stuff before, it's literally like fucking cocaine. It's actually finer than cocaine, I guess. I've never seen cocaine in real life, but it looks like flour. Let's say it looks like flour, and it'll settle to the very bottom of this, and it'll gum up. So overnight, once it rehydrates and everything, like I said, this is gonna be caved in on itself a little bit. It's perfectly fine, it's normal. If you have a good bucket, nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's happened to me yet, but yeah, in the morning, I'm gonna put on a glove, I'm gonna reach down there, I'm just gonna like move it around, mix it around, because it'll turn into like a paste, that gypsum will. So, and then after that, you're ready to use it. So that's how I make CVG. So, yeah. You don't have to like and subscribe or anything, but appreciate you watching. See you later.